Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete completely a Google account, how you can delete completely your Gmail account. Okay, so we are going to start. Okay, log in on your Gmail account. When you log on your Gmail account, you come on the right corner here where is your profile picture is. Okay, you click here. From here you come to manage your Google account. Make sure you select the right Gmail account. Okay, as you can see I got plenty here. Okay, I'm gonna select manage. From here you scroll down slowly, and then from here you click manage your data, privacy. Okay, so from here you scroll down, keep going down. You can either, if you want, you can download all your data first. It's gonna be like a backup before you delete your Gmail account. Okay, let's go, keep going down until you see more option. Okay, here. From here you click delete your Google account. Okay, or you click delete your entire account and data. I'm gonna choose this one in my case. It might ask you to enter your password. Click next. From here they're gonna ask you to download your account. Okay, I don't wanna do that. I'm gonna scroll down. That I'm still responsible for any charge, whatever. I'm gonna say yes. Yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. I'm gonna click delete account. As you can see here, they say your Google account and its data have been deleted. If you accidentally deleted your Google account, you have a short amount of time to try to recover it. So you can still recover it, but you have to make fast. Okay, so I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.